Hello, Paulo. How's it going?
Not bad, man. Getting ready for my first jump, man.
You're going skydiving today?
Yeah.
You excited?
Oh, yeah.
All right, man. Do you know what to expect? Have you looked into it? Videos?
No, not really, man.
No?
I'm just going for it.
Now, you're here with a friend here?
You're my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend? Was it your idea, hers idea?
She actually got it for my birthday.
Yeah. All right. Cool, man.
Right.
Well, dude, man, let's go have an awesome birthday present, and we'll see you in the skies. All right?
All right, brother. Okay, now with him on my left. Now get out of
What?
here. Huh? This guy's acting like he's trying to come this year. Climb on up, brother.
How was that?
Well, fuck, that was sick, man. That was fantastic.
Take your goggles off, dude. You don't need them anymore.
Fuck.
Tell me,
That was
dude.
awesome, man.
Which part was the best one?
Fuck, throwing myself off the plane, man.
Yeah, it's a good one.
That's the best fucking part. You throw yourself off and you're just fucking...
Say cheese.